Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to tell you how to use keyword stringing, which is a term that I've coined. I haven't heard it anywhere else. I call it keyword stringing, and what it is a method that you can use to rank pretty much any keyword. Now, even if you don't manage to rank the keyword, what it will do for you is give you some form of result. It will allow you to get ranked and see, okay, there's absolutely no chance with the keyword and getting on the first or second page, but you will get some form of result because it's really powerful. And I'm going to guide you through it, and it's really easy. I'm going to show you how to do it with AI as well, so you don't need any keyword tool. I'm also going to suggest a Chrome extension or plugin that you can grab that will help you with this as well if you're not using a keyword tool. So do subscribe if you like it and you like this content. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and before we get into it, do check out the link in the description. It will take you through to this page if you're interested in building a 9-to-5 replacement income. You're in the right place. There's a free video guide that will guide you through exactly how to do it. One of my favorite income streams because anybody can do it, a complete beginner, and you can go more advanced with it as well, but it's probably one of the easiest income streams to build as a beginner. So do check that out. It's in the description, the link's there, and it's totally free, so you can see the income stream. Okay, so let's get straight into it. What are we doing? Keyword stringing. So the purpose of this is to show you how you can rank for any keyword. Now, what I've got on the screen is Pilates reformers, which is a great niche in itself. They're expensive machines, they sell well, but the reason I'm showing you isn't to talk about the product so much. I want to talk about keywords and how to make sure that you can rank for keywords that you're going for with a niche site or even a business site. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to guide you through exactly how to do it. So here we go. So the first thing is keywords in themselves. What keywords should you be going for? Well, I've got a simple method for you to start with. With any product, go for key phrases that are for, with, and best to start. So again, simple explanation. I've covered this in previous videos. A for key phrase would be like a Pilates reformer for beginners, for back pain, for weight loss, for seniors, for home use, as you can see here. All the for key phrases. With key phrases is when it's got certain features: shoulder blocks, wheels, accessories, foot bar, and so on. These are all great reasons that people buy. So that's why you go for and with key phrases, because they're like really great reasons that people buy. And then you've got best, okay? So when they're searching for the actual choice, best Pilates reformer for weight loss, for beginners, for home use, for small spaces. Okay? Once you've got an idea of your keywords, and these will be laser targeted as well, how you make sure that you can rank for them is follow these steps. And this is where the keyword stringing method comes in. So you can see here I'm using an example, one of the key phrases, Pilates reformer for beginners. Okay, and straight away we can see that it's worth doing this looking at the actual results on Google. So just looking at the results, I can see videos straight away. I can see the people also asked section. I can see YouTube again straight at the top, and then other sites here, discussions and forums, shape, and so on. So what you're really looking at there, just a really quick idea. You could go in depth into this, but I want to show you how to do it without any tools. So what you would do if you had a tool is look at a competition check of all the first page results to see if you could rank. But what you can do without a keyword tool is just have a look. Like, there's some pretty big players here in terms of like shape.com will be a massive site. There's a lot here. But the thing you can do as well is type it into quotes and just have a look at the results coming in here, who's actually optimizing for that exact phrase. So you can see Walmart here. So this would be quite competitive just because I can see TikTok, there's a site here that would you know, uh, you're basically looking for an idea of competition, just having a look at how massive the sites are. Really simple idea for you without any keyword tools. If you see huge brands on there, it's going to be hard to rank for. But for the purposes of this video, I want to show you keyword stringing. I want to show you the method. So this is really, really cool. Here we go. So if we go back and we focus in on this key phrase, the next thing that you might want to do for Chrome is download Keyword Surfer. If you type it in, you'll find it. I can't remember the name of the site, but it's basically a suite of keyword tools that's paid. So Keyword Surfer. In fact, I'm pretty sure. Let me just show you. So here we are, guys. Surfer SEO, and they've got a free Chrome extension. They've also got other stuff that will help you write content and so on, but that's paid. You want to download the free Surfer SEO extension. Then if we go back, it gives me an idea of the amount of searches, and also if we start with the root key phrase, it will give me an idea, 60,000 searches. Okay, so we know, and this is when I'm talking about keyword stringing. Let's get straight into that. So let's say we're going for this key phrase here, Pilates Reformer for beginners. Okay, what you want to do is you want to work out what a beginner would be looking for in a Pilates reformer. Okay, the top 3 or the top 5 concerns that they would have, and you really want to focus in on that, because once you've got that information, you can do what I call keyword stringing, which is this. If we go back to ChatGPT and we look at, give me the 3 most important concerns someone would have if searching for a Pilates reformer as a beginner, what do they need to know? And you can see here for ideas, ease of use, okay, adjustability, user-friendly design, instructional support, safety features, stability, quality of materials, proper alignment support, space and budget considerations, what to know, size and storage, price versus features, future needs. And what you want to do, and this is the main meat of the video if you will, is you want to make sure that you use the keyword stringing method. And what that is let's say you wrote a guide, Pilates Reformer for beginners. Okay, so you wrote Pilates Reformer for beginners buyer's guide, and like we just had a look there on ChatGPT, we've got all the main points that someone would look for. So you put subheadings in and you cover as soon as possible, you cover right at the top exactly what someone would look for. Then you can have a top 5 article, top 5 Pilates reformers for beginners, an actual review, if you will, a review section of your site that you're going to link that Pilates reformer for beginners content through to. And then you're also going to have, as we looked at there, like saving on space, best space saving Pilates reformers, okay, and you can have a link from that article on, if you're looking to save space and you're looking for a simple Pilates reformer, you might want to read our beginner's buying guide. So what you're doing is you've got your main beginner's guide, okay, in this example, and then you're stringing that interlinking through to other information that someone would want to know as a beginner. And the reason that it works so well is you become like a little keyword cluster where you've got these really tightly knitted things that are associated with beginners. Okay, so really important to remember on this point. You're not just writing content, Pilates reformer for beginners, the best Pilates reformer for beginners. You're not just writing duplicate content. You're actually helping, and you're taking the top 3 or top 5 concerns that a beginner would have and what they're shopping for, and then linking relevant content through. So even look at this. beginner Pilates reformer workout 15 minutes. You don't even need the video. There'll be plenty of videos on YouTube, and you could write what a workout should involve as a beginner for a Pilates reformer, and then you could link through to, in this case, John Garry TV, embed the video, give him a link going back, write your information, and then say here's a really good video that gives you a great workout, and then link that through to your Pilates reformer for beginners buying guide and Pilates reformer for beginners chart with the top products. So you've got like a little 3 or 5 articles clustered that are interlinking together with relevant information. No keyword spam in the titles. You can even use the Keyword Surfer extension here, or plugin, I can't remember what they're called, extension, Chrome extension. You can see how much overlap you've got in terms of searches. So what you're doing here is you're not jam-packing your site full of the same keyword again and again. You're literally taking one buyer's guide, really well written, really well informed with all the information that they need, and then you're expanding it on things that would go hand in hand, like the beginner's workout, like the beginner's list of the best Pilates reformers, and then you're interlinking it back together. And then also other content you've got on your site, like Pilates reformer for small spaces. If you're looking for a simple entry-level Pilates reformer, you can click here, or read our beginner's guide, which you'll have, and then you can click through to the link through to the beginner's guide. And what happens is, if you do that for your major keywords, not only will you rank, you have a very good chance of ranking, but even if you don't rank, you'll get picked up on long tails, and it will work really, really well. You're going to get far more traction, and you'll be producing content that people want to read, and you'll make a resource hub where you've got beginners, okay, and then you might have back pain where you're doing the same thing, Pilates reformer for back pain, considerations, the ultimate guide, and then link through to your chart, top 5 Pilates reformer for back rehabilitation. You see, so you're linking together and creating a resource hub that you can link through in the menu, where all these content pieces are linked, and you'll get picked up for the key phrases because you've got really, really great information. Now, I'll do another video on the content and how that should look, but I hope you enjoyed the video. That is keyword stringing. I know it's essentially just a cluster of keywords, but I just thought I'd give you a sort of new take in 2024 that works really, really well for affiliate sites and for businesses as well. So you can use that if you're a business looking to rank. Hope you enjoyed it. Do give us a thumbs up if you did. Do check out your free income stream below and watch the video guide, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.